In 2026, building your software product in India offers a 60 to 80% cost advantage compared to hiring teams in the US or UK. Imagine a startup founder who gets a quote to build a custom web platform. The bottom line is incredibly low, the timeline is aggressive, and they sign the contract, confident they've secured a massive discount. Fast forward 12 months. That original budget has doubled. The application constantly crashes, and the company is burning through its remaining capital just to keep the servers online. This scenario plays out every day because the price of an overseas software project is never a single static number. It is an ecosystem that reacts to dozens of variables, from the specific coding languages used to the city where the engineers sit. Without knowing how to decode these hidden variables within an estimate, the promise of massive cost savings becomes an unpredictable financial trap. When a vendor hands you a quote, you are usually only seeing the visible, baseline variables: the raw complexity of the project, the size of the team, and the seniority of the developers. They also factor in geography. Agencies in Tier 1 tech hubs like Bengaluru charge higher hourly rates to cover operating expenses, while teams in Tier 2 cities like Jaipur offer more competitive pricing for the same level of engineering talent. To win the contract, traditional agencies often package these baseline numbers into an optimistic, best-case scenario and present it to you as a finalized total. This chart shows reality. Undocumented features expand your budget by 15 to 40%. Then unquoted expenses arrive: API licenses, security, and cloud hosting. Finally, skipping quality assurance creates technical debt, breaking software and requiring expensive redesigns. When an estimate is treated as a fixed sticker price rather than a risk model, budget overruns are almost inevitable. GrowRankers operates differently, prioritizing long-term product health and strategic growth over simple ticket completion. They utilize location arbitrage. By operating out of Jaipur, GrowRankers accesses elite engineering talent while passing the geographic cost savings directly to the client. This blueprint illustrates their scoping process. They break every project requirement down into specific feature efforts, mapping costs from initial discovery through post-launch support. To manage the budget, they use a minimum viable product strategy. Instead of building every feature at once, they build the core functionality required to validate market demand before scaling. Work is delivered in 2-week agile sprints. You see the progress in real time, allowing for course corrections early before minor errors compound into expensive problems. By identifying hidden costs and validating core features early, GrowRankers aligns the development budget with actual business results. The initial quote is only a fraction of the story. The only metric that truly matters is the total cost of ownership, the cost to build, run, and scale the product over its entire lifespan. A dedicated team arrangement improves this metric by building institutional knowledge. As the team learns your codebase, they deliver features faster and with fewer bugs, lowering your long-term spend. Technical architecture also determines the final bill. When software is built as a series of modular components rather than a tightly coupled monolith, you can upgrade one piece without refactoring the entire system. This flexibility reduces future development costs by up to 50%. The success of an outsourcing project hinges on selecting a partner who helps you defer unnecessary features and optimizes your cloud scaling from day one. Reach out to GrowRankers for a transparent estimate and turn India's tech talent into a controlled, high ROI growth engine for your business.